We know that when we have to multiply algebraic fractions, we have to do the same operation like for fractions. So we have to multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. Because we don't have here in the second expression fractions, so we can always make the fraction. When we put over the 1, it didn't change anything. When we divide by 1, we still have the same expression, and we will have fractions, so we will multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So let me rewrite this. We have 12 over 2y minus 6 in parentheses, and we have times, I will put 8y minus 16 over 1. Now we have fractions to multiply these two fractions, algebraic fraction. We multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. I will put this whole expression in parentheses because we have subtraction. So we have 12 times 8y minus 16 over 2y minus 6, because when we multiply by 1, it didn't change anything. So this is equal. Next step, because we have to reduce to the lowest terms, we can reduce only when we have multiplication. So first we have to factorize. We see that in the first parenthesis we have 8y 16. So the greatest common factor for 8y and 16 will be 8. So 12 we copy and we have times 8, and in parentheses will be y plus, of course, minus 2, and in denominator we will factorize 2, so will be y minus 3. Next we see that we have 12, 8 and 2, so we can reduce 2 with 12 will be 1 and 6, and now we can do multiplication. 6 times 8 is 48, and in parentheses we have y minus 2 over y minus 3. This is my solution. We cannot reduce anything.